guys, it's like the fourth time I'm filming the intro of this video. I'm a bit sick about it. Anyway, welcome back to my channel again. I don't know why I'm making like a video every day, but it sounds too weird to me. I probably will stop like right after this video, even because in like next week or a bit more I have ceramics and I have to prepare about it, so I need to rest. Anyway, I'm just here because yeah, I made some shopping and I don't want to make another whole video. I'm just like too tired about it. I made too many recently and I probably published just 2, but I'm preparing a new one and no, too many videos, so I'm here to show you what I got recently. And I made this sort of Flatlays. These are not my typical Flatlay. I just arranged it like now, the last seconds, and I got this NYX matte full coverage foundation, can't stop won't stop, in color pale, which is the one I'm wearing right now. And this NYX can't please focus, please focus. Okay, this NYX can't stop won't stop matte primer. And yeah, I'm wearing both right now. Well, I've just came for this foundation because I love the color. It's so pale like I am. And I also got the primer because the girl that works in the shop told me that I have to buy the primer because it's the most good primer that works really well with the foundation. No, it's not. Look at my skin, it's terrible. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me that makes me this effect, but no, I don't like it. Anyway, I'm not professional in the makeup and I don't want to be a professional in the makeup, so I just filmed like one makeup video in like 3 years of full YouTubing and I don't want to make any more. Anyway, it's not the thing that I was expecting. It's way better than this liquid lipstick from Sephora, I have to say. No. Oh gosh, I'm so bad at contouring. I don't usually do contouring. I made it just for making like a contrast with this so white foundation. I love the color, it's really good, but I don't like the texture, not at all. Even the primer is not that good. Hello. Oh, I made it fall really. Oh my gosh. Thankfully it is a save. Anyway, let's see the other stuff. Okay, the other things I got is this Chels makeup rainbow eyeliner. Gonna open it. Here it is. And this is how it looks inside. It's really nice, even if I thought at first that it wouldn't come anymore because I had to wait like since June. It would take so long, guys, so long. I'm gonna swatch it on my, here it is. So cool, really so cool. It's not the best swatch, I'm sorry. Then I got this Farsali Jelly Beam highlighter. Here it is. Blah. It should look like this. So cool. And as the last thing, I got my Laura Mercier powder. Okay, now since I'm here with you, I thought I would try before the Farsali eyeliner on the point of my nose. Here it is. Okay, I don't have a mirror, I'm sorry, but What is this? Oh, it looks so cute. Wow, I like it. Yeah. So nice. Wow, I'm so pale. I love it so much. I understand why, like when I bought makeup, they came and said like, this foundation is too white for you. You're not so white. Really? Then you look like a vampire if you choose like foundation so bright. Yes, I do want to look like a vampire. Like, why nobody understands this, guys? Why there's like I don't know. Well, I'm gonna try this now. I hope to put it in the right way. Come on, gets out of the pan. Making a mess. This is why I can't do makeup tutorials. As I already said, like in the past, I'm the anti-tutorial girl. So I'm gonna try it here. Wow, so cool. And in here, I hope to take all the colors. Anyway, I don't care. Wow, my gosh! I'm sorry, this like super weird laugh. Oh, I didn't take all the colors, but it's so cute. I get so upset with them because it was coming so late, guys. I was at months. I had to wait for months for this highlighter. Shut up, please. Sorry. Okay, I was expecting for so many times, so long to get this highlighter, and yeah, it's worth it. It's really cool. The foundation is this. You're probably so tired to see me like every day. Ugh. I don't know what to do. I have to put everything in place because every time I do my Flatlays, I have to order everything. And yeah, probably gonna show you what I got from my Flatlays. Got like stars, and this is open, and oh my gosh, they're falling everywhere. Snowflakes, which are these, to add a sort of wintry effect because we're officially in fall, guys. And yes, I can't wait for winter because it's still so hot outside. And look, I have, see, you know, when you think about fall, you think about cozy sweaters, scarves, leaves falling everywhere, cinnamon and hot chocolate with marshmallow, and but here is not. Here is like ice water, fan, and for the ones that are still going there, pool. I'm not going to pool, neither to the beach. I don't like the beach. I don't like the beach, I don't like the sand, and I don't like people. So in this video, I thought I would show you what I'm using to make my Flatlays. So the products always put in the center or in one side, the product, which are, you can be this Versace stuff, or this Laura Mercier stuff, or this Chelsea makeup thing, eyeliner. Then put some colors and some decorations, which can be stars or snowflakes or these fake diamonds. And you usually put them on a side because they're cool. Or these, they're called party confetti. which are made in paper, and I also put like around. And then I choose a plate. There's various colors. I usually put this one, the pink one, because it's so cool. And in my one of my last Flatlays, I think I put it this one. I don't really remember that. And decorations, and of course flowers. I have 3 these flowers, and since I'm preparing the Halloween Flatlays, I thought I would show you also the things I would use for my Halloween Flatlays. And I have this coffin, snacks, boxes in paper, some decorations. These are from H&M. I use them for my hair. And this small pumpkin, which makes a lot of soft lights. You can't see it because there's a light. No, it's green now. And I put like in one side of the Flatlay. Then I got from Flying Tiger all these Halloween lights, and I can't wait to use them. These are the attempts I did with this one. I think this is the last result, and it starts from there. And this is the Flatlay I did yesterday. Sea inspired. I always had the sand. I'm trying to make a new one, so I'm gonna show you. So the mess is just okay. I'm gonna put some stars here and some snowflakes. The stars are already open, so I'm gonna sprinkle like, yeah, just around to make the spaces a bit full. I'm gonna put this here and this one here away, and this should be the result, or 1.1. Sorry, these are not good. I'm gonna put the pumpkin, which is because it's a bit intimate, so let's do it. Ready? Go. And this is the Flatlay. Then opening my Instagram. Okay, this is the photo I choose, or this one. No, this one is way better. I choose before a filter. Probably this one is really cute. Then lights up, contrast up or down, say up. A bit up. Just a little bit up. And this should be the end result. Go on. And it's up. And yeah, this is more or less what I use for my Flatlays. There are some Flatlays that I want to show to you there I'm really proud of. This is one of the last I did. And here I put this Ladure tea, flowers behind, a flower shaped cup, and my new Glam Glow cream, and another Ladure books under. And also this one is one of my last favorites. I put on this plate, which I already showed you in this Flatlay I was making. These stars, which I didn't put everywhere, just a few. My favorite perfumes, some cards, some shells, my Louboutin nail polish, which is this one, is so cool. and my Ladure blush. And I like also this one because it's really simple, just flowers, plate, and my Kyle's oil, which I mentioned before that I really love it. And I think this is pretty much everything. I started making more accurate Flatlays only in the last period. I did, like, this was made last year, and it shows only the products. My Lancome flower eyeliner, my Coco Mademoiselle perfume, I repeat the perfume, and also already always the Ladure blush. And I make a lot of attempts, guys. Look at this, and look at this, which is so messy. And if you want to make Flatlays, you just have to try and try until you see something that you really like and it's really rich in particulars and in details and stuff that maybe is like trending right now, like the Farsali Jolly Be My Glider or the Chills Makeup Eyeliner or the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX Foundation, which are really trend right now. And this is another one. This is like one of the first one I did. It's so simple. It's just the Sugar Bear hair pigments, just them and nothing else. And this is another one from like 2 years ago. Way more simple, way more simple. I started from very simple Flatlays, and also this, which is so basic. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, my battery is kind of dying, so thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and let me know if you like this video, if you should make more.